There's 3 reasons that our FTO training courses are different, and they're the same 3 reasons that you need to get signed up for this. Hi, my name's Scott Savage. I'm the founder and the CEO of Savage Training Group, and there's 3 things that we teach in this class, 3 things that we'll do for your FTO students, right? We'll teach them how to be teachers, teach them how to train, how to mentor, how to lead, how to actually teach the trainees to get them successfully through the program. We'll teach them how to evaluate in a fair, unbiased, legally sound way, right? We don't want to create field testing officers, field evaluating officers. We want field training officers. So we'll teach them how to conduct those evaluations. The last key thing we're going to teach them is how to document in a legal way that is objective and legally defensible. If you have to let a trainee go, they're going to be looking at those records under a microscope. We want to make sure those pass muster. Listen, our courses have been very successful simply because we use expert instructors. They're experts in the field. They're expert instructors who help your folks become expert teachers themselves, right?
This is probably the first training that I went to, that at the end of the training, my cell phone was still at full power because I wasn't on it surfing the internet. I was actually paying attention to what they were saying. So I definitely recommend this class to anybody.
We think we have something very special with these courses, so we just invite you to check them out. Click the link, get registered. These courses always seem to fill up. We've got an FTO course, an FTO update course, and an FTO supervisor course. And then if you're thinking, you'd like to have us come out and perhaps just do a custom course for you, or we take a look at your program and get all your folks on the same page, we're happy to do that. Thanks very much, and we'll see you at the next class.